Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing the craft and cutting power. This prevents rotation and shock. Once the hub is exposed, mark the prop orientation so reassembly restores balance. Use penetrating oil and let it sit, then begin loosening bolts in a star pattern to reduce stress. Be methodical, 1 or 2 turns at a time. If a bolt binds, stop and reapply oil, then use a properly sized socket. This sets you up to remove the hub without causing damage. Now remove the hub with a puller to apply even pressure. You want to avoid hammer strikes that risk seal and shaft damage. Once free, inspect the shaft and bearings closely. Look for pitting, grooves, or upset surfaces that could ruin a new hub. Clean mating faces with solvent and a non-abrasive pad, then measure runout and bearing play with a dial indicator or calipers. If tolerances exceed specs, replace bearings or service the shaft before installing the new hub. You position the new hub using your orientation marks, lightly lubricate splines, and slide it on evenly to avoid binding. Once seated, torque the mounting bolts to the manufacturer's specification in the correct sequence, then set bearing per load if required. After initial installation, hand-turn the prop to confirm smooth rotation and no tight spots. Once done, run the engine or motor briefly and retorque. If vibration or noise appears, stop immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.